real number and their decimal representation. So real numbers 1 by 2 is a real number. How we represent in decimal form? So decimal form of 1 by 2, when we divide 1 by 2, then we get 0.5, means decimal representation of 1 by 2 is 0.5. Decimal representation of 1 upon 100, we know that we can write 1 upon 100 as 0.01, means decimal representation of 1 upon 100 is 0.01. Now, if we want to represent 7 upon 8 in decimal form, then we have to divide 7 by 8. So, when we divide 7 by 8, then we get the quotient is equals to 0.875 and remainder is equals to 0. So the decimal representation of 7 upon 8 is 0.075. The decimal representation of 7 upon 8 is 0.875. So these are the decimal representation which are called the terminating decimal representation, because in this decimal representation, when we divide this number numerator by the denominator, then division ends and we get the remainder 0. In this condition, when we divide and get the remainder 0, then the decimal representation of this kind of number is called the terminating decimal representation. 10 by 3. The decimal representation of 10 by 3. If you want to write 10 by 3 in decimal form, then we divide 10 by 3. So, we divide it and we get 3 3s are 9. Remainder is 1. Then we take a point and then we divide again. So we get remainder again 1. Then we divide again 3 times and get the remainder 1. So this is the repeating process. Every time we divide and we get the remainder 1. So in this process division never end. इसमें division end नहीं होगा और division continue चलते रहेगा. This type of division is called non-terminating decimal form. The number 10 upon 3 is in the form of non-terminating decimal form, and the decimal expansion of 10 upon 3 is 3.33 dash dash dash, means our division not completed. Then we can write this kind of decimal representation as 3.3 bar. This bar sign denotes 3 dash dash dash. We denoted this number. We can write this 3.33 dash 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 as 3.3 bar, or we can write this 3.3 point. In this form also we can write this. So this is our non-terminating decimal representation. We look another example. If you want to write 1 upon 7 in decimal form, so we have to divide 1 by 7. So we get 0. When we divide 1 time, then we get 3 remainder. Again we divide, so we get 2 as remainder. Then we divide, so our remainder is 6. Then we divide, so we get our remainder 4. After division, we get our remainder 5. And then again we divide, so our remainder is 1. So our remainder is 1, means we reached on first step. Means if we divide again, then these numbers are also again they repeat. When we divide again, means इसके बाद अगर हम डिवीजन कंटिन्यू करते हैं, सो यही नंबर फिर से रिपीट होंगे. और इस कंडीशन में because when we divide 1 by 2, then division ends and we get our fixed answer, that is 0.5. This is our answer. This is terminating decimal representation. 1 upon 100. We can write 0.01. This is also terminating decimal representation. 7 upon 8. When we divide 7 by 8, then in few steps we get our remainder 0. So this is the terminating decimal representation. Means the terminating decimal representation is when we divide the numerator by the denominator and we get our remainder in few steps 0. Then that kind of decimal representation is called the terminating decimal representation. And second is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So if we divide 10 by 3, then we get in division number 1 is repeated. Means when we divide, then remainder never becomes 0. इसमें remainder 0 नहीं हो रहा है. Always we get remainder 1. So this is non-terminating and repeating. Why repeating? Because this number 3 is repeated. When we divide again, then we divide 3 times, then 1 remainder repeat again. So this number is repeated. So 10 upon 3 decimal expansion is 3.33 dash dash dash, means this number 3 is repeated. This kind of decimal expansion is called the terminating repeating decimal expansion. Sorry, this kind of decimal expansion is called non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Second example, we taken 1 upon 7. When we divide 1 by 7, then we get our answer 0.142857. And after few steps, we get initial number again. Means our remainder is 1 again. 1 again. Then we have to divide all this step. We have to do again in our division. So in this step, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. These all numbers are repeated. So the decimal expansion of 1 upon 7 is non-terminating and repeating because these numbers are repeated in division and remainder never gets 0. So case first, when the remainder becomes 0. When we divide numerator by the denominator, then when the remainder becomes 0. Two conditions are here. When remainder becomes 0, first case, and when remainder never becomes 0, second condition. So first condition, when remainder becomes 0, 1 upon 2, we can write 0.5, 7 upon 5, we can write 1.4, 1 upon 100, we can write 0.1. In this case, when we get remainder 0, then this kind of decimal expansion is called the terminating decimal expansion. Second case, when remainder never becomes 0. In this case, when we divide 1 by 7, so we get our decimal representation 0.142857. And this number is repeated. So in this case, remainder never gets 0 and these numbers are repeated. Similarly, when we divide 15 by 11, then we get 1.3636. This number 3636 is repeated in the division. So we can write 1.36 bar, and this kind of decimal expansion is called non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So on the basis of decimal representation, rational number, the decimal representation of rational number is either terminating or non-terminating repeating. The decimal representation of rational number is either terminating or non-terminating repeating. Means digits repeat only. Means as we see, the decimal representation of 1 upon 7 is 1.0.14 and the bar we see there. So this kind of decimal representation is called the repeating, non-terminating repeating decimal representation. This kind of decimal representation is called non-terminating decimal representation. And second thing is irrational numbers. The decimal representation of irrational numbers are the decimal representation which are in the form of non-terminating, non-repeating. Means the decimal expansions which are non-terminating means जो फिनिश नहीं होते हैं, जिनका डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन फिनिश नहीं होता है और साथ में एक पैटर्न में उसमें नंबर्स रिपीट नहीं होते हैं, इस टाइप का जो डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता है, दे ऑल आर द इररेशनल नंबर्स. सम एग्जांपल्स आर हियर 0.10110111. Here 1 is repeated but not in same order. Same order means 1.363636. In this decimal expansion 363636 repeated, and this is the 36 only number repeated in same manner. And in this decimal representation 1 and 2 is repeated but not in same manner. So this kind of decimal representation is called the irrational number. Same thing I told you, root 2 is irrational number and the decimal representation of root 2 is 1.4142135623739095 and so on. इसका decimal representation भी non-terminating, non-repeating form में है. And pi, we write the approximate value of pi is 22/7, but the decimal representation of pi is this, and we can find the value of pi on this manner by the thousands or millions of the places. So this kind of decimal representation is